Hello, my name is Roshan and I represent Ochak Sustainable Development Center of Kazakhstan. We are working on the restoration of small rivers by encouraging local residents and school children from the rural regions to participate in the creation of Birthplace forest parks. Our center is located here in upper stream of Balkhash Lake Basin. We are very concerned about survival of the Lake Balkhash. We already lost RLC. Caspian Lake is also shrinking. It's dying also now. We engage school children and local residents in small river restoration activities. We are working on the small rivers restoration by encouraging local school children and local residents to participate in the creation Birthplace Forest Park along a nearby riverside. Unfortunately, many villages along the rivers are covered with such unauthorized landfills. The toxic dump of water destroyed the flora-fauna habitats in the rivers and transfer into Lake Balkhash. We are working on creation such motivation to keep clean the local environment, to concern more about the riverside. Development, setting up the birthplace forest parks could be such initiative to keep clean the local environment. This could be natural, everybody's desire to take care of environment trees, as trees were their children, brothers and sisters. In the Ochak Sustainable Development Center, we are increasing the practical, dual educational and leisure activities by involving more school children and local residents in nurturing and planting them trees, keeping their riversides territories. We are working of expansion the program from Mukanchi and Bije rivers from Mukanchi village and Kongsu village. We are setting up the promotion program of 5-year tree cultivation activities. The Birthplace Forest Parks development strategy is based on the biotic pump, biotic dam approach, where the main goal is to restore rivers. We studied the experience of other countries with a similar program. For example, Canada, Bhutan, Mongolia. We have a such traditional strategy to engage more local population from the childhood to participate in birthplace forest activities. We aim to expand this strategy throughout Central Asia. We are working on to make our center one of the top sustainable nature-oriented program training activities. Biotic pump approach, which teachers that teach trees are rainmakers of our basic strategy. We hope to be connected and be affiliated with United Arab Emirates and Kazakhstan Sustainable Development Center in our Ochak Sustainable Development Center. This effort can be connected to initiative of our President, Kasım-Jomart Kemalievich Tokayev, who proposed strengthening the UN water program, with Kazakhstan coordinating some of them, including the creation UN Regional Center for Sustainable Development Goals for Central Asia. Here are our contacts. Thank you very much.